Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. We'll be unboxing the Google Home Hub. Want to thank them for sending this after CES. I took a little ride in the Google, it's like a theme park ride, and then at the end you got your picture taken and swiped your badge and you could win one of these, so I did win one. That's very cool. I can't wait to try this out. I do like voice assistants, although this is a video voice assistant. It doesn't have a camera right here. This is just light sensors and in the audio, the microphones. But this is a speaker back here, so it gives good audio right there. A power port right there. And this is a touch screen. So if you're making a pasta dish and you don't know what the next step is, you can ask Google to do the next step for you, and it will show you on the screen. And then you do that in the kitchen. So that is that device. And now going further inside the box, probably be all of the charging cables and everything. So there's the Get Started guide from Google right there. And then inside of here is the power adapter. Pull that out. There it is. So this plugs into the wall, this plugs into this unit, and that's it. This is the Google Home Hub from Google. We're excited to try it out, and it's a digital voice assistant. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Thanks.